Dude, this actually helps a lot.
What? To see level?
Yes.
Did you look at it?
Yes. When I was unhooking the case, she's recording this whole thing. So how do we show that that's flat? This piece, this whole channel up here is the same angle. It's flat. So you can tell when this is flat, the bottom of your bucket's flat.
I could just put that in the video, you explaining it.
Because the bottom of the bucket you can't see from the cab, but this piece you'll be able to. So this is the same plane. Is that a word?
Yeah,
same
it's
plane
on the
as the bottom of the bucket.
as that. So like
Parallel?
most other bucket, even when you're unhooking it, it's hard to tell when that bucket's flat because it's at an angle. So from in the cab, you can't tell.
Got it.
This gives you like a great indication. You can't see your front edge, but at least you know when it's level. That was one major pain point that a lot of other buckets.
Yeah, that was
Because all they're doing is they're trying to get more capacity. They're like creating a little lip up here, just to get a little bit more, maybe like 0.05 yards
right.
at the expense of knowing that your bucket's level.